Hello, kids. So, today we are here for another picture composition. Okay, now, picture composition, you know what you have to do for it. I repeat, picture composition. You will look at the picture, you will observe the picture carefully, you will also go through the words given in the help box, and then you will try to frame as many sentences as you can. Okay, for example, let's see what all sentences you can frame out of this picture. The sun is behind the clouds, or the sun is shining. A boy is flying the kite. The girl is holding a balloon. An owl is sitting on the branch of a tree. A man is painting a picture, or the man is wearing a hat. An old woman is holding an umbrella, or an old woman has an umbrella. She is wearing a sari. The dog is running after a cat. It is beautiful weather out there. It is a sunny day. Okay? So, this way you can create a number of sentences. Okay? So, let's start writing the sentences. Number 1, you can write about the man who is painting here. The man is painting a picture. You can see the spelling of painting from here. Okay, the man is painting a picture. Let's write down another sentence, what it can be. The girl is holding a balloon. Right? Number 3 sentence can be the dog is running after a cat. Okay, what else you can make a sentence about this owl also? Let's do that. Yes, remember we will write an because owl starts with a vowel. An owl is sitting on the tree. You can also write sitting on the branch of the tree, or on the tree will also be correct. What else? Let's see the words given out here. Painting, done, shining. We can make a sentence about shining. Okay, let's do it. The sun is shining bright, or you can simply write the sun is shining. Okay, now an old woman has an umbrella. Number 6, an old woman has. Now woman is one, so we will write has, because has is used with for singular and have is used for plural. So woman is one here, so we will use has. An old woman has an umbrella. Do you know why have I used an over here? Umbrella, because U is a vowel again. Okay, so you have to keep these things in your mind, because you've already done this articles a and an, use of a and an. Okay, so umbrella, U, so has an umbrella. Okay, so we have written 6 sentences here. You can write other sentences like the boy is happy, uh, the man is enjoying painting, the girl is wearing a pink colored dress. Okay, so this way you can frame a number of sentences. So for today, you have to write these sentences in your notebook. Okay, and you can write more sentences if you wish, or you can change the sentences also as per your perceptions. Okay, kids, that's all for today. Bye bye, take care.